What's going on, guys? So for today we are going to go pick up our car parts, and then we are also going to give this thing a bath and maybe start pulling it apart today. That would be nice. We don't know yet on the time frame because my boiler is getting done, as you can see. The old one is out and the new one is getting put in, so the garage, that's where the GTR goes. So we don't know if we're going to be able to do that today.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Get that. We're doing that today.
Noel is going to try driving right-hand drive for the first time.
Hey. First time for everything.
We're going to see how that goes. So yeah, we're first going to go get our parts, and we're going to take that. And then we're going to go and we're going to probably get this thing wiped down. So, we'll see you then. Alright guys, we just got to V Raceworks. We're going to go inside, we're going to grab our parts, and we're going to take you along for the ride. Boy Rolo got his Beamer. And then he got his new love, he got the Type R. We're hoping to give y'all a little tour of this thing later on, if you'll let us.
You know what I like the best about this? I don't care who you are, how old you are. Ordering parts and coming to pick them up make you feel like a kid in the candy store again.
They did, right? Yeah, I was expecting the other ones to come, the other stuff to come first. How they looking? Looking like they're ready for a fat tire. What's it looking like? Yeah, like going to 24.
Here's our stuff.
I hate it. Anything lower than that, you make sense.
Our little DBA rotors.
Turbo car, man. That's
Spec stage 3 clutch.
22, 23. That's a horse. Remember? Yeah.
This is all tipped up.
Fuel pump.
Yeah, these look nice though.
Radio, fuel rail. Our Hawk brakes. Spark plugs are in there. We got a ton more parts at the house. Well, show them the road.
It's got that black matte finish on it.
Gotta be able to stop, man.
This is definitely good for corrosion prevention.
Spec. Alright, we loaded up. It's time to get cracking. We're gonna start this car. It's about to be a build.
Tell us what's on the agenda for this summer.
Man, for building this car, right? And then I wanna build the Acura. So yeah, we have an RSX and a tree fell on it, so full front end damage, windshield's cracked, so I want to redo that. And then I don't know what's next, man. We might need some recommendations. What's next? What should we do?
I know I got a bike that needs some love.
A bike?
Yeah.
I'm down to do a bike. I've never really messed with bikes. So I'll kill myself. But I'm down. I'm down to build one.
Alright. What else? Oh, I got the Del Sol still too.
That Del Sol, I swear that Del Sol ain't ever getting finished.
That's been in hibernation for like 4 or 5 years.
He's had this Del Sol forever, man. And it ain't ever getting done. And the thing is he started it.
Yep, fully built D16 Z6. That's the only thing that I really need some help on. That's the turbo selection.
Go big.
Or go home. Alright.
80mm turbo. 4-banger Del Sol. We'll get like 2 passes on it, it'll blow up.
And then we'll do it all over again.
We'll do it again. We'll pull it up. Here's the RSX now. Look at it, needs a lot of love.
There it goes.
That thing has seen some better days. Oh man, whole front end messed up. You can't even see it yet. Alright guys, so we're here. Noel's gonna try and attempt to turn the GTR around. So we're gonna let him do that.
It's been a while.
If you guys see how messed up it is, wait until you see how it's gonna look when we're done. Yet if we want to start pulling the motor out or if we just want to pull the interior because it's kind of cold today. I haven't figured it out yet. Alright, here goes the Wells attempt. It's his first time driving right-hand drive, I think. See him looking around. He came in hot. So we're on our way to give this thing a final wash before we rip it apart. So we're almost there. It's not that far from my house, so we're just gonna give it a quick wash down because as you've seen, it has like bird poop on it. It has a whole bunch of dust.
Man, this shit is dusty.
I can write my name in it, and we don't want that.
Keep this in mind. Look, that electrical tape, love.
Look at him, so proud of his work. So proud of his craftsmanship. He fucking taped this because the thing wouldn't stay, and it stayed in the car wash. So he's proud of it.
Car's definitely clean enough for what we need to do.
Alright guys, so the camera died during the car wash, and then we got back and we shot the outro, and it just so happened that we didn't have the microphone on, so we had to reshoot the outro. So now, here's your outro.
But the mic ain't even on now.
It is on. I checked it. So, we're gonna wrap up the video, and in the next video, we're actually gonna get to it and start to pull the motor. So,
I'm about to die.
we'll see you in the next one.
See you.